In our prior videos, we explored the importance of the social dimension of an individual's overall wellness and how joining groups offered at Miami Regionals is a great way to engage with others. In this video, we plan to look into other ways Miami Regionals can connect students to outlets that will foster their relationships on and off campus. On the Miami Regionals website, students can access the Student Life page to familiarize themselves with activities offered during their current semester. Under the Involvement and Recreation tab, students can learn about the Center for Social Impact, where they can become active citizens through volunteerism, philanthropic initiatives, and democratic engagement. They are also given the opportunity to become involved in community-based learning, where they can earn college credits for participation in bettering the world through service learning. Students can also become involved in the Center for Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion. Miami Regionals is home to a diverse group of students who come from many different backgrounds and countries worldwide. The center acts as a hub for activities and support initiatives for students of a wide variety of backgrounds. Their Events tab is a great way for students to engage in lectures, activities, and gatherings that support their diverse backgrounds. This semester, they are offering events such as Miami Regionals Got Talent, a lecture entitled How Dare the Sun Rise? Memoirs of a War Child by Sandra Uwiri-Nyamana, and a reoccurring public ice skating event at Goggin Ice Center. There are a wide variety of options to choose from and many virtual events that will allow students to socialize online. From the Student Activities and Orientation page, students can access the Hub, a page that will allow them to explore all social offerings at Miami Regionals, or learn how to join a sorority or fraternity. Miami Regionals has a plethora of opportunities to offer their students and faculty. Don't let the opportunity to have a rich and fulfilling social life pass you by. The opportunities are endless and only a few clicks away.